Hello guys, today we have one printer Canon. The model number is G2411. The issue is it's not printing any color, not black, neither color. And if I will open the cover, you can see here no ink in the pipes. So stay with me, I will show you how to fix this issue. Okay, and I will show you the problem is exactly what. Welcome to Smart Tech. Guys, this printer we have G2411. While I will give the command, you can see here, if I will give the command for print, let's print a test page. Okay, here we go. I gave a command for print and it started printing. Let's see what it is printing. Okay guys, here we go. You can see it's nothing on the paper, only blank paper. Fine. And you can see also there is no ink in the pipe. Ink is there in the tank. Okay, there is a ink in the tank, and in the pipe there is no ink. So today I will show you how to fix this mass error. It's printing blank pages, or maybe somewhat you can say sometimes it will print missing the colors. So overall, I will show you how to fix this problem. Okay, first of all, we will, after you install the complete driver, you have to install the complete driver. Okay, after you install the complete driver, you have to right click on the icon for printer, then go printing preferences. Okay, and you can see there are many options here: quick setup, main, page setup, and maintenance. We will click on maintenance. And in the maintenance, there is only one option inside, maintenance and preferences. We'll click on it. Okay guys, here we go. There are many options inside. Cleaning, you can see here, cleaning, deep cleaning, and write down print head alignment, nozzle check, ink flush, and remaining ink notification settings. And some on the right side there's options, bottom plate cleaning, roller cleaning, power off, auto power, quit settings, and custom settings. So guys, actually this is a Canon printer assistant tool. Okay, and this is the maintenance tool, and with the help of this tool we will fix this problem in the printer. I will repeat again. The problem is the printer is not printing any color, nor black, neither color. Our printer printing only blank page. Sometimes it's printing only black, color is not printing, or maybe sometimes it's printing the color and missing the black. So in all problems, you have to do what? After install the full driver, you have to open this option, assistant tool and maintenance. Then you have to do what? Ink flush. Okay, see this option, ink flush. Some guys go with the cleaning and deep cleaning. No need to do that, because we have to first of all flush the ink. This option will do what? It will take the ink from the ink tanks. Okay, you can see it will take the ink from these tanks, and through these pipes it will take to the ink pad here. Okay, we have to do this. Okay, after this option, it will, inshallah, it will work. You can see. Alright guys, I will press ink flush, and it's give the message: before running the flush, the operation consumes a large amount of ink. Perform this operation only if you cannot resolve the print head problem by running deep cleaning. This tool is recommending us that we have to do it before deep cleaning, but I will not go for deep cleaning. I will go straight away to the ink flush. Okay, and it will take approximately 10 minutes or longer. Okay, we will start, and you have to make sure that before you start the ink flush, over your ink tank should be minimum half of the tanks. Okay, I have the full, but you have to keep it minimum half, because this will consume a lot of ink. Okay, I will press OK. Okay, now it's asking that you want to flush the ink for all colors and or black only, or CMY, cyan, magenta, yellow. So we have the problem in this printer, all colors are not printing. So I will go for all colors, and you can go according to your problem. If you have missing the black, you can go for black. If you are missing the color, you can go for color. I will go for all colors: black, cyan, magenta, yellow. I will check on this first option. then I will press execute. Okay, it's gave a message, ink flush consumes a large amount of ink, start ink flush. Yes, I will go for it, press OK. Okay, it's saying that do not start another operation until ink flush will finish. So you can see the message here, cleaning, please wait. And you can listen the voice also here. Hear the voice and see the power light is flashing. So stay with me in that video and you will see, let it finish this process. Then we will check again either it's fixed or not. So guys, stay with me, hold on, just wait for 10 minutes and we will see that. Let it finish first, then we will see print the paper. Yes guys, the process has been finished. It gave a message, prints a pattern to let you check whether the print head nozzles are clogged. So I will not print the pattern. I will cancel this option, I will close it and I will go for the test page. Let's see, I will go printer properties and I will give a test command. Let's see, I gave a command right now and printer execute the option and you can see it's printing the page. Let's see it's printing all the colors or not. Yes, here we go guys, you can see before there was no color on the page and now you can see all the colors, like color and black, both are printing very fine quality. So hope you like the my video and you understand all the method how you do it. So if you have any question you can ask me in the comment box. I will answer your queries in the comments. You can apply this method. There are many models, G2411, G3411, 300 series and 2000 series, 2000 and 3000 series. All models for this Canon printer, if they have print ink tank like this, okay, you can do this same method. You can apply on all these models. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, stay tuned with me and I will say goodbye now. Take care.